Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Ani. So, today we are going to do a monthly reading for Aries for January 2026. As I said, this is a general reading, guys. General monthly reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also in my channel's info. Okay, so let's see what do the cards have. In this reading, we will cover the overall energy for Aries for Jan 2026. Key challenges, obstacles, the actions or advice, your strength and opportunities, and the probable outcome. At the end, we will also take a guiding message from the Oracle deck. So please do stay till the end. Okay. So let's see what the cards have for Aries for January 2026. Let's see what the cards have for Aries for January 2026. Overall energy for Aries in January. Overall energy for Aries in January, please. What's the overall energy we have for Aries in January, please? Okay. All right. Now let's see. What are the key challenges we have for Aries? Wow. Okay. Let's see what are the actions or advice we have for you. What are the actions or advice we have for Aries? What's the action or advice we have for Aries for January? Action or advice for Aries in January. Actions or advice we have for Aries. What the action or advice message we have for Aries. Okay. Let's see. Please clarify Nine of Cups. That's the action or advice for Aries in January. Please clarify Nine of Cups. That's the action or advice for Aries. All right. Now let's see what are the strengths and opportunities we have for you, Aries. What are the strengths and opportunities we have for you? Okay. All right. Please clarify Queen of Swords as the action or advice for Aries. Queen of Swords as the action or advice for Aries. All right. Now let's see what's the probable outcome. What's the probable outcome of these energies? Oh, wow. I just want actions or, probable outcome for Aries. All right. Please clarify Seven of Swords. Please clarify Seven of Swords. Oh, okay. So let me just move the cards here. Okay. So the overall energy for you, Aries, is I see you are, getting success in whatever you have been doing. Okay. When it comes to your work, I see that whatever project you have been working on for so long, for some of you, it can be getting a good job offer which you have been waiting for so long. कुछ किसी चीज का recognition, achievement or completion in your favor. Okay, उस तरह की energy है. When it comes to your workplace, people are cheering for you. You have achieved a new milestone, and also you come out as someone who is very confident and having that leadership quality, and people will look at you for more, inspiration, like someone who inspires, someone who motivates, and someone who comes up with a different unique idea to get things done or to achieve something. Okay, so that is what I see when it comes to your relationship. For some of you, I see if you're single, there are very good chances that you might be getting married. If you are already, in that phase, like looking for a long-term commitment, a marriage kind of thing, there are good chances that you might end up in end up within a committed relationship, or enter into that marriage phase. Okay, and I also see that for some of you, if you are single, then there are very good chances that someone with this leadership quality, someone who is go-getter, someone with a pure heart, and someone who is passionate, okay, is coming towards you. Okay, maybe coming with an offer or a proposal also is what I'm getting. And someone who is not afraid of, okay, to take stand for you, and someone who will be emotionally available and very pure at heart is also what I'm getting. Someone who knows how to create a balance is also what I'm getting here for you. Okay, and I also see that when it comes to your health, so जो भी आप health related कोई भी अगर आप issues deal कर रहे थे, the little bit of the health issues. So you will be able to overcome those issues, but you have to keep in mind that you need to take care of your diet, and also you need to get fit. Okay, fit as in you need to do some kind of a movement, a physical movement, like आप थोड़ा योगा कर सकते हो, अगर आप exercise नहीं कर रहे हो, योगा नहीं कर रहे हो, so try to do that, and you will be able to overcome a bit of the little bit of the health issues like body ache and all जो होता है, so you will be able to overcome that. So I don't see anything major on the health happening, everything looks good, but you just have to keep moving yourself. Okay, so that is what I am getting. So overall month looks good for you, Aries, coming with a lot of positivity, growth, achievement, recognition, success, happiness, celebration is all I am seeing for you in January. Okay, now coming to the key obstacles and challenges for you, Aries, I see is somewhere you might be indecisive. Okay, it's like you are having the plan, but आप action लेने में you might delay because of not able to convince your mind and heart. Okay, your mind will say it's okay, let's proceed, let's execute the plan, and your heart will somewhere stop. Your heart will say ki let's for example, if you are looking to convey your feelings to somebody, you might you are ready, but something is stopping you. Maybe it's your subconscious fear, or maybe not sure if it is the right time to do that. Okay, उस तरह की एनर्जी है, बेसिकली इनडिसिसिव रहोगे आप. ओके, उसकी वजह से आप एक्शन नहीं ले पाओगे. ओके, वो थोड़ा सा आपके लिए चैलेंजिंग होगा. यू हैव द स्ट्रैटेजी, यू हैव द प्लान. Okay, you know what is your goal, and you know how you have to achieve it, but the only obstacle is you are not taking action. Okay, तो अगर आपको रेस में दौड़ना है तो आपको दौड़ लगानी पड़ेगी ना. आप सिर्फ स्टार्टिंग लाइन पे खड़े होके तो आप जीत नहीं सकते, राइट? सो यू विल हैव टू रन, राइट? सो उस तरह की एनर्जी है. सो आपको जो भी इनडिसिसिवनेस है उसको आपको डील करने की जरूरत है, बिकॉज यू वोंट बी एबल टू सी क्लियरली, एंड दैट इज व्हाई यू वोंट बी एबल टू take the step. So all you have to do is sit with yourself. Okay, connect with yourself. अगर आप meditation नहीं कर रहे हो तो little bit of meditation is required for you, so that you will get more clarity, and that will help you in planning your next steps. Okay, that is also what I am getting. Okay, for example, आपके अगर health से related लेते हैं तो आपको लग रहा है कि you want to get fit, right? You want to get in a perfect shape, but आप बोल रहे हो अभी नहीं, I'll start it from tomorrow, I'll start it from next week. So you're not taking action because you're not able to decide कि I should start today, or I can wait at least for 2 more days. It's okay. I'll start from the next week, I'll start from 2 days, after 2 days I'll start from tomorrow morning. But it's like you are not taking action. Okay, आपको पता है आपको क्या करना है, but आप action नहीं ले रहे हो. That is the problem. So that is what you have to deal with. Okay, because that is what the advice is. Okay, this is no coincidence that this card has come as the action card, because you need to get into action. Okay, it's like what do you say, stop dreaming, start creating. Okay, उस तरह की energy है. Emotionally, you to feel good, to have all that you want in your life, you need to take action, right? जब आप action लेते हो तब आपको success मिलती है, right? So that is what the energy is. You need to use your resources, you need to use your talent, you need to upgrade and understand how you can best utilize your resources, your knowledge, your experiences, your skills, and get into work, get into action. Okay, उस तरह की एनर्जी है. तो आप मैनिफेस्ट करने का बहुत अच्छा टाइम है. ओके, एज आई सेड एग्जाम्पल में कि अगर आपको फिट होना है तो आपको वर्कआउट करना पड़ेगा. यू नीड टू मूव योर बॉडी, यू नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, if your agenda or your purpose is to lose some weight, then you need to work out and you need to control your diet. Okay, you need to change your diet plan, right? So you need to take step for that, right? तो आपको action लेने की ज़रूरत है. It's like knowledge of both the worlds is also what I'm getting. Sorry for the background noise, there is some construction going on, so please ignore that. Okay, so as I was saying, knowledge of both the world is also what I'm getting. It means that you know what you have to do, and you know how you have to do. You know your inner knowings, you are aware of what makes you feel good and what doesn't, and you know what kind of situation or circumstances you are in, right? So what kind of people you are surrounded with, and you know how to deal with the situation. as an example I'm telling you this, so you know how to deal with the situation to achieve what you really want. Okay, so that is also I'm getting here for you. So be energetic, be in that, action oriented, okay, energy. That is what the advice is for you, and then you will be able to achieve what you want. Okay, and also I say that don't be afraid of, or showing off or telling people what you have achieved. Okay, sometimes it's like, until and unless you showcase your work, people may not be knowing what you are up to, right, or what you are doing. So that is also I'm getting as an action or advice for you, that don't be, don't feel shy or don't be afraid of showing or telling people what you have. Maybe अगर आपने कोई नया skill सीखा है and you are keeping it to yourself, you are not sharing it with other people, then how will other people get to know if you will not share them? Maybe आपने कुछ ऐसा सीखा है जिससे आप दूसरों को help कर सको, right? तो you need to display it, okay? You need to let people know what you have achieved or what you're working on, what is that new thing you have learned, or and how, how it can be helpful for others, maybe for some of you. Okay, so that is about what I'm getting. So basically you need to be in that energy of go getter, stop dreaming, start creating. Okay, उस तरह की energy है. There is a very good, energy of manifesting what you want. Okay, so just take action towards it and you will start seeing the changes. Also I see that अगर आप थोड़ा सा डिसिप्लिन नहीं हो, है ना, तो आपको थोड़ा सा अपने डेली रूटीन में कुछ डिसिप्लिन लाने की जरूरत है. मे बी यू नीड टू, आपका व्हाट टाइम यू गेट अप, व्हाट टाइम यू स्लीप, कुछ फिक्स नहीं है. समटाइम्स यू आर स्लीपिंग फॉर 4 hours, समटाइम्स यू आर स्लीपिंग फॉर 7 hours, एंड कुछ प्रॉपर नहीं है व्हाट टाइम यू आर हैविंग योर मील्स. सो यू नीड टू have a proper discipline also. Extreme cases, it's obviously it's understood, but try to maintain or get into discipline. Try to have proper sleep, try to balance your diet and take care of your health. Do some, movement to make yourself, to keep yourself fit physically, emotionally and mentally, in all the ways. Okay, so mentally you can do some meditation, physically you can just work out, and emotionally you need to spend some time with yourself, which is ultimately meditation. Because जब आप meditate करते हो ना, so you understand your emotions and you calm your, emotional turmoil जो sometimes we go through, right? So that will really help you. Okay, now the strength and opportunity is, you see, it's like, there is something heavy or at an emotional level, so you need to release it. अगर कुछ ऐसे suppressed emotions हैं which are very heavy on you and आप उनको express नहीं कर पा रहे हो, आप किसी से share नहीं कर पा रहे हो, so you need to release it. Okay, as I said, आपको emotional well-being पे भी ध्यान देना है. At the same time, अगर आपको कोई decision लेना है, so try to be logical. Okay, don't let emotions lead your decisions. Okay, you have to be logical and you have to be very आपको proper clarity होना चाहिए कि आप क्या decision ले रहे हो. कुछ भी अगर if it's too foggy, आप प्रॉपर डिसाइड नहीं कर पाओगे कि आपको कहाँ जाना है, राइट? सो इन द सेम वे, अगर आपके माइंड में बहुत सारे थॉट्स हैं, जस्ट क्लटर ऑफ थॉट्स, तो आप कुछ क्लैरिटी के साथ कोई डिसीजन नहीं ले पाओगे, राइट? सो यू नीड टू बी लॉजिकल. ओके, सो जो भी कन्फ्यूजन्स हैं उनको, आई सी दैट यू विल बी एबल टू ओवरकम द कन्फ्यूजन्स एंड you will be very logical in taking any decisions. But at the same time keep in mind कि आप जो भी decision ले रहे हो वो emotional उसमें आके नहीं ले रहे हो. It can be emotional pressure, it can be thinking too emotionally and not logically. So just keep that in mind. Release whatever is weighing you down at an emotional level, and it will make you feel lighter, and also it will help you to think logically. Okay, I also see that you will be setting boundaries, which is a very good thing at times. And setting boundaries it can be as simple as saying no for some things which are not comfortable to you. Okay, maybe in your workplace, in your relations, anything. Okay, so I see that you will be setting clear boundaries, and people will see you someone who is, people means people around in your workplace, in your family, or your whomever you come across with, they will see you someone who is confident, who is very clear in their in the communication, very logical. Have you might also be having more creative ideas. You might be thinking very logically and creatively. Okay, so uska bhi you have to keep that in mind when it comes to your communication. So you need to keep in mind that communication needs to be clear, but it need not be रूड कम्युनिकेशन, राइट? सो आपको रूडली कम्युनिकेट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, रैदर आप क्लियरली कम्युनिकेट करने पे फोकस करो. ओके, सो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो द मैसेज आई एम गेटिंग हियर फॉर यू, एरीज. and that will be your strength, that you will be able to do that, clearly communicate karna. So that will help you to set boundaries. All right, now the outcome here is, okay, so whatever challenges are coming in your way, you will be able to overcome it. Okay, there can be some kind of unexpected things which might come, but you will be able to overcome the challenges. I said the overall energy for the month is recognition, success, growth, celebration, right? So जो भी challenges आएंगे आप उसको बहुत आराम से overcome कर लोगे, but you have to keep in mind that not everybody is your friend. Okay, so some people just wear the mask of a friend, but they don't really have that intention of a good intentions for you. So just keep that in mind. Don't share your secret, your personal and confidential things with everyone. Don't trust everyone blindly. There are chances that people may try to, or people may take the credit of your hard work. ओके, आपका हो सकता है आपकी कुछ क्रिएटिविटी है, आपने आप कुछ क्रिएटिव थॉट्स हैं, क्रिएटिव वेज ऑफ डूइंग थिंग्स आपने किसी के साथ शेयर कर दिया, एंड दैट पर्सन मे टेक द क्रेडिट कि दिस इज माय आइडिया. सो उस तरह की एनर्जी है विच विल फील यू डिफीटेड, राइट, और बी ट्रीड, राइट. सो जस्ट कीप दैट इन माइंड दैट नॉट एवरीबडी इज योर फ्रेंड. जो भी आप स्टेप ले रहे हो in whatever it is, whatever be your relation, your anything, your workplace, your health, just keep things to yourself which are not really required to be shared. Okay, so you have to understand that sometimes being silent and taking action is good, and let your success make the noise, right? So us tarah ki energy is what I am getting. So try not to trust everyone blindly. Keep your next step to yourself. Okay, until and unless you complete or achieve something or accomplish something, keep it to yourself. Okay, don't tell it to others, okay, if it is not required. All right, so that is what I'm getting here for you, Aries. Now let's see what is the guiding message we have for you for January. So overall energy is good, month is good. All you have to do is come out of your indecisiveness. Don't procrastinate things, don't delay the things, take action. You have everything you need to reach your goal. Okay, all you have to do is take action. Okay, so the card is the Stargazer, which says set your sights higher, which is similar to this Queen of Swords card. See, you need to be foresightedness, you need to have the clarity, you need to, आप कोई भी decision ले रहे हो ना, तो आप थोड़ा सा foresightedness होके दीजिए. ओके, इट्स लाइक आप सिर्फ कल के मतलब डोंट थिंक कि टेम्परेरी सॉल्यूशन के लिए कुछ ऐसा डिसीजन ले लिया. नो, ट्राई टू हैव दैट फोर साइटेडनेस, बिकॉज दैट इज व्हाट द मैसेज इज. यू नीड टू हैव दैट ईगल आई व्यू. जितना पॉसिबल हो सकता है उतने तरह से हर पर्सपेक्टिव से चीज़ों को देखिए, समझिए, एनालाइज करिए, ऑब्जर्व करिए, उसके बाद कोई डिसीजन लीजिए. फॉर जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू आर प्लानिंग टू गेट मैरिड, देन you need to think from all the angles, right? From all the angles. What kind of person you are looking for, the compatibility, everything, right? So just try to see things from all the different angles, and then take any decision. Okay, so set your sights higher. Okay, please do claim the reading and the positivity from this reading by mentioning set your sights higher. I set my sight higher, and I'll be logical, then emotional in taking any decision in January. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.